Welcome back to TradeProFX.co.ke, and there's the project we were doing using the one day trading.com. So we reached at 94, but then I have been trading. So I want us to proceed using the TradeProFX.co.ke, and I want to show you one of the best bots that people just assume anything I put here on the website is very powerful. Let's just try it. It is under the free bots, and under the free bots we are at 107.05 USD. So let me allow, so in case you are using an iPhone, you can just clear these hidden dark thing, and so you can proceed and use the bots properly. So the bot is under let's use the all 78. So you just have to click all the 78, not here. So we want to use all, then you go down, then then after you just look, we have the matches, then we have the hit and run over 3 and under 6, then we have the best bot among for the small beginners who want to do their trades, that one. So over 1 and under 8. So this one, remember I told you when it is active on the change market, what it does, it will be executing different markets based on the best entries. So let's see. So that is how it works. You can see here. So digit 0 8, so there is a pattern it's looking for. So let's see whether it will get. So let me just see. We can see it has started moving well. So let's wait. There is an entry, and perfect, it's a win. And let's see if we can scoop a 20 USD using this bot. Let's just assume someone had that USD. Are we together? Someone had that USD or 20, or let's say also because of the martingale, let's do 15 US dollars. 15 US dollars. Let's see whether you can make another 20 USD, another bonus of 15 plus a 5 USD. So you can see we are on the fourth run, which is a win. And I want us to see in case there will be a loss, and how much time we reach or peak for you to reach at 20 USD. The best part as you usually see me, I usually try and give you the best bots which are very friendly, so that any person who is using them can also scope something. So there is the first rows there. I want you to see the recovery here. So let's see. So the recovery, let's just wait. We have gone, you can see I told you it is going over 1 and under 8. So we have recovered that with 6.67. Therefore it means for you to have this capital, you had what, 6.67. That's, let's say it is 7 plus 5, that is around 12 USD. If you had 12 USD, let's see whether it could make to 20 US dollars. So just observe, we can see another win there. So we have gone back to the momentum, and I'll like you to encourage each and every person. Any bot you see on the free bots, it's very powerful, especially those written what they are doing. Just take your time, just read what is this bot doing. So like this one, the over 1 and under 8, it has a very written paragraph, and I took my time to write it so that anyone who doesn't understand trading will able to read that paragraph and see, is this the actual bot that I can try and make something out of it. And to be honest, if you are someone who likes doing research, then you have noted and you have gotten the best bots here on the free bots, which you can specify that I'll be trading with only this one and scooping something out of it. Right now we started with 85, we are heading almost to 2120 USD by just using the best risk management. And these are the best bots that you can use, especially those ones have written the documentation of how to use the bot. Right now we are at 8.02, and we have said we want to give it a challenge to reach at 20 USD. And I want you to see that it is very possible, very very possible. It's only that people do not like testing these free bots that I put there. They are super powerful as long as you take them serious and do the best risk management. It's the best way you can make and print some good US dollars. And in case you have any questions, always comment below, so that in case you have any questions, I'll just see. So we are currently at 10, lost 1, 17 won. So we proceed and we see where we are getting to. So we have said we are going to stop this at 20 US dollars, and we see where we will have reached. Already one trade we will hit at 120, and you can see we have hit around 120.59. So though our total profit is at 13, let's proceed. We won't stop the boat. We are going to proceed until we hit at the total profit of 20 US dollars, and we see the win rate. Is it a good boat to use? And I've told you all these things are free, very free. So there is nothing you are being charged. Just get the free boats, read the documentation, what it entails, what it is doing, understand what it will be doing on the back end, and as much as you are now understand anything related to Deriv, especially over under, even odd, this is a good boat for trading over under, because number one, it's doing across all the markets and it is checking the best markets to enter. You can see here we are now closer to hitting this stop button. So the last one, only one trade, and we call it a day. And you can see at 20 USD the last bot, the last entry. You can see these are different markets, very different markets, and you can see the win rate. So we stop the bot there after achieving that. So it's a very nice win rate. One, then we have 127. All these are wins. We only had one loss, which is there, which we also recovered. And you can see the progress is awesome. I would like to encourage you, get there, test it, and let me know on the comment section whether it works on your side, because for me, you can see already I'm already at 127, and this one will go up to 1,000 USD, this count here. So it's the best plan here is risk management, and be someone who is contented with whatever target you want. So let me just show you, if you click here on the trade options here, there's how you can understand how the bot is built. So you'll just expand here, and you can see what behind the logic, what is happening. And if you click this and then scroll downwards, you can able to understand. Anyone who has built a bot before can see what it is doing. So it's checking what it is checking, what and what and what. So you can see basically how the back end is, and the bot is under all bots. You just click all bots and then scroll just below the over 3 and under 6, just the first one, which is over 1 and under 8, trade all markets. So this one, and read all these what the bot entails. This bot trades over 1 and under 8 with a set of analysis and all that across all volatility markets. So that is TradeProFX CEO. Let's meet in the next video. Continue subscribing, sharing, and always making it to the top. And I would like each and every person this month at least be withdraw huge amounts. Withdraw huge amounts. It doesn't matter whatever method you are using, whether you are going to use the over 1 and 8 boot as or over 1 only, and you make something. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.